Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by finding the cause. Open Task Manager or Process Explorer and sort by GPU usage so you see which process drives 100%. Once done, run MSI Afterburner or HYNFO to log temperatures, clock speeds, and power draw so you know if it's thermal or load related. Make sure drivers are up to date and Windows power is balanced. This avoids forced maximum performance. From here, you're ready to stop the runaway process and control GPU behavior directly. Now you take control. In NVIDIA or AMD control panel, set power management to adaptive or optimal to prevent constant max clocks. Then cap the frame rate with in-game settings, VSync, or RTSS. Lowering FPS directly reduces GPU load. Next, tune power. Reduce the power limit or apply a modest undervolt in MSI Afterburner to lower wattage and temps without losing much performance. These steps change how hard the GPU works rather than just reacting to symptoms. Finish by testing. Run the same workload while monitoring GPU percentage, temperatures, clocks, and power for 10 to 20 minutes to confirm the fix. If high usage persists, perform a clean driver reinstall using the or rollback drivers and temporarily disable suspicious background tasks or malware scans. Make sure the card isn't thermally throttling or pegging due to a defective fan. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing helps, swap the GPU into another system or try another card to isolate hard.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.